Hey, welcome to Grilling with Sylv Mac. Yes, I have my new Traeger grill. I am over the moon. Y'all have no idea. Anyway, so my first dish that I decided to try to cook on here was a cheese dip. I saw it somewhere on the internet and I can't remember exactly where, but basically what you ended up doing is putting all of the components of your queso dip with chorizo and putting it onto the smoker and letting it cook for like maybe an hour and a half. I don't know, we're gonna find out, but let me show you what I've done so far. All right, so I used one package of uncooked chorizo, 1 can of Rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies, 1 small can of hatch green chilies, fresh jalapeno chopped, about 3 cloves of garlic, a lime, and 1.5 pounds of white American cheese. See that it's smoking right now, so I'm going to let this keep cooking. And I'm going to let this keep cooking. Then we're going to see what it tastes like with some dips. But I understand that it is supposed to be marvelous, and I can't wait.